Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next topic, books of original entry called as cash book. But before to start this chapter, I want to tell you the meaning of the books of original entry. The books of original entry means when the entry is done first time in the books of account is called as original entry. It can be done by the two method. One is recording in journal or maybe in the subdivision of journal. The subdivision of journal means referring to divide the journal into different number of books. So this chapter is dividing into the subdivision of journal. And the subdivision of journal is divided into two parts, one into the cash book and the second is to the non-cash book. The cash book is referring the all the cash items will be entered here and the item which are not in the cash will be entered into the non-cash book, and the non-cash books are purchase books, sale books, purchase return books, sale returns books and the journal proper. This is the division of the books of original entry. But in this chapter we will discuss only the concept of the cash book as a part of the books of original entry. Now, first, understand the concept of the cash book as a part of the subdivision of journal. When, as the name is listed here, cash book, all the cash transactions are to be recorded in this book separately. It means the transactions related with the cash take place here. It will not entertain into the journal proper. Journal, you may say. And the next is the it records all the function mean is only the cash transaction means the cash receipt items and the cash payment item will take place here. The second is the cash books takes a place just like as a cash account. If it is prepared, cash account is not prepared. It means in the ledger posting, when you understand after how to prepare the accounts in the ledger posting, it means one account is exempted if the subdivision of journal is there, that is cash account. It is not necessary to prepare in the ledger if the cash book is prepared. But when you are moving towards the journal, you have to prepare the cash book. But when you are passing the entries to the subdivision of journal, you don't have to pass the cash account maintained as a posting level. Now, the types of the cash book, there are the two types of the cash book. One is simple cash book, second is the cash book, double column cash book. Simple word is referring the one column cash book and the double word is referring to the two columns are there related with the cash book. In the one column, simple column, only the one account is listed, may be related with the cash or the bank. One column is for cash or the bank, either the entries with the cash or the bank only. But when the double column cash book is there, it means the both column will be there, cash and bank. Transactions few may be through cash, maybe through bank account. So these are the types related with your introductions of related with your cash book. Thank you.